Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Hope y'all are doing well. Today I have for you our brand new 2021 Scout 175 Sportfish. This is a great versatile boat for families getting started into boating. Has a 10-inch draft so you can still get into the really shallow creeks for fishing and into the sandbars, and then has a great modified V to cut through that chop when you're out in the intercoastal waterway. We're going to start on the back. We have the upgraded 115 Yamaha 4-stroke on the back of this boat. Great power for if you're wanting to tow the kids to tubing or skiing or anything else behind. Two great aft seats, important starboard side with storage underneath. And then we chose with this boat the two captain's chairs that swivel 360 degrees, so great seating when you're anchored up or underway. At the helm station we have a nice Lamar steering wheel. We have Seastar hydraulic steering on this boat with a tilt steering wheel, so that's nice for standing up or sitting down driving. Got the Yamaha throttle over here. We did trim tabs with indicators, so if you have a lot of uneven weight in the boat, you're able to balance that out underway. Storage here, as well as storage in a nice size center console. So having all your batteries and everything in there. We did a great spot on adding an optional trolling motor on this boat too, so that's where your trolling motor batteries would go. On the bow of the boat we have a nice igloo cooler seating with backrest. That's removable, so if you need more space around the boat. And then a really nice bow cushion with your huge amount of storage in here. So this can be used as a fish box, cooler, or dry storage. And you have your bow light and your stern light nice fit in here for storage. Then what I like about Scout is they put a separate anchor locker up on the front. So now you have easy access to your anchor locker, and then your trolling motor panel is actually inside the anchor locker. Pop-up cleats throughout, 7'3" beam, so still really stable for our 17.5-foot boat. And then we did a bimini top as well. So lots of great options on this boat. If you'd like to see this one or any others, please give me a call, Chris Honig, at 910-256-8100, and hope you all have a great day.